It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 Buick Envision Essence ST. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the ST. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, the programmable memory seat, and down below we have the power liftgate button. We're able to set that to maximum opening, 3/4, or turn it right off. Next, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio controls. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using those arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the power sunroof buttons and OnStar. This is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also got our climate control buttons, and it doubles as our backup camera. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins, electronic precision shifting, and here we have auto stop start, hill descent control, lane departure alert, traction control, and park assist. The Sport Touring package includes 20-inch wheels with dark finish, unique ST badging, grille surround with mesh inserts, black roof rails, body-colored door handles, lower trim and wheel arch moldings, exhaust bezels, window trim and mirror caps with dark gloss finish, and a rear cargo compartment cover. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, and the door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Rear tinted windows, the rear window wiper, and the power liftgate. I'm going to pop that open using our key fob here, pushing that button twice. Our trunk is quite spacious. We've got cargo hooks, lighting, and a power plug-in. We also have a storage compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has the heated rear seats, rear fans, and the USB ports. Our middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold the rear seats down by simply pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 Buick Envision Essence ST today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.